Okay, here's what the old laptop hinge cover looks like. As you can see, it's missing the bottom part of this. This shit where it says G72. The hinges have snapped off, and you can see the screws on one of them still attached to it. And they tell me to replace it with a spare, as I did. Well, this can go into retirement, as it goes into the trash now. This cannot be fixed, as stated by my brother. Well, at least the internal parts of this thing isn't too badly damaged. But it'll likely cost more if we fix it. So therefore, I bought a replacement. Thus, you can see this thing is no longer useful. So it's gonna go into the trash, right where it belongs.